Want to know how to use Mailchimp's custom fields to personalize your emails? Stick around because I'll walk you through this powerful feature and show you exactly how to create more engaging and targeted email campaigns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily use custom fields in Mailchimp to level up your email marketing game. First off, Mailchimp's custom fields are a game changer when it comes to personalizing your email content. They allow you to insert specific details about your subscribers into your emails, creating a tailored experience that increases engagement and conversion rates. Whether it's addressing your customers by name or offering them personalized discounts, custom fields let you make your emails feel more human and relevant. Next thing, let's dive into how you actually set up custom fields in Mailchimp. To start, you'll need to go into your audience settings. Once you're there, you'll see an option to manage fields. Here, you can add new fields such as first name, birthday, location, or even custom fields like product interests and more. This is where you'll start creating the data points that will help personalize your emails down the line. Now, the third thing to understand is how to actually use those fields in your email campaigns. Once you've created your custom fields, you can insert them into your email template. Simply click on the Merge Tag option in Mailchimp's email editor and choose the custom field you want to use. For example, if you've set up a first name field, you can add a greeting like "Hello, FNAME" to make your email feel more personal. This small touch can go a long way in increasing open and click-through rates. The fourth thing is segmenting your audience with custom fields. This takes personalization to the next level. For example, if you've gathered data on customer preferences or purchase history, you can create targeted segments and send specific offers or content based on their unique characteristics. This makes your emails even more relevant and impactful. Another cool feature is automation. You can create email workflows that are triggered based on the custom fields you've collected. This is perfect for sending birthday emails, anniversary promotions, or follow-up emails based on previous purchases. Automating with custom fields saves you time while still delivering highly personalized content to your subscribers. Lastly, let's talk about testing and tracking. It's crucial to monitor how well your personalized emails are performing. By tracking metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, you can see what's resonating with your audience and refine your strategy over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with different custom fields and see which ones give you the best results. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp's custom fields to enhance your email personalization completely free. Just check the first link below for an exclusive bonus that'll give you access to a special free trial, so you can start using this powerful feature today. Thanks for watching! I hope you feel more confident about using Mailchimp's custom fields to personalize your emails and create better engagement with your subscribers.